So, hey everyone, today we're comparing two top-tier electric toothbrushes, the Oral-B IO Series 10 and the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean. So let's see which one provides the superior brushing experience. So to start off, let's check on the cleaning performance. So both of these toothbrushes excel at removing plaque, but the IO Series 10 utilizes innovative magnetic levitation technology for smoother and quieter operation and potentially more effective cleaning. Now, on the other hand, the Sonicare Diamond Clean relies on sonic vibrations, which is proven to be effective in removing plaque and improving gum health. Now, let's consider the brushing experience. The IO10 series offers a personalized brushing modes and real-time feedback through its interactive display. Now, on the other hand, the Diamond Clean also provides multiple brushing mods and features like pressure sensors to guide your brushing technique. The IO10 series boasts a AI-powered brushing recognition system that tracks your brushing habits and provides personalized coaching. The Diamond Clean, on the other hand, emphasizes sonic technology and often includes a travel case with a USB charger for convenient use on the go. Now let's check on the price and value. The IO Series 10 typically sits at a higher price point than the Diamond Clean. However, both brand offers a range of models within their respective lines, which allows you to find a brush that fits your budget. So ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual preferences and priorities. The IO Series 10 might be a better fit if you prioritize advanced technology, personalized brushing guidance, and a premium experience. The Sonicare Diamond Clean is a proven performer with a strong reputation for effective cleaning and a wide range of models to choose from. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful comparison reviews.